Welcome to Car Compass, your trusted channel for exploring the latest vehicles and their advancements. Today, we dive into the 2025 Iveco eDaily, a game-changer in the realm of electric commercial vehicles. Designed with sustainability and functionality in mind, the eDaily is perfect for urban deliveries and eco-friendly operations. Its fully electric drivetrain is not only emission-free but also optimized for efficiency, offering an impressive range on a single charge. With fast charging capabilities, downtime is minimized, allowing businesses to maintain productivity without compromising on environmental goals. The 2025 eDaily features a robust yet sleek design, showcasing Iveco's commitment to combining practicality with modern aesthetics. Inside, the cabin is built for comfort and convenience, equipped with ergonomic seating and intuitive controls. Advanced connectivity options keep drivers informed and in control, ensuring seamless navigation and vehicle management. Safety is a top priority with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and advanced emergency braking systems, providing peace of mind during every journey. The payload capacity of the Iveco eDaily remains competitive, making it an excellent choice for transporting goods in urban environments. The electric motor delivers smooth and quiet performance, a significant advantage for businesses operating in noise-sensitive areas. Maintenance costs are reduced compared to traditional combustion engines, thanks to fewer moving parts and a more streamlined powertrain. This electric vehicle represents a step forward in the commercial transport industry, proving that sustainability and performance can go hand in hand. Whether you are a fleet owner or a small business operator, the eDaily is designed to meet diverse operational needs while contributing to a greener future. If you are as excited about the future of electric vehicles as we are, be sure to stay tuned to Car Compass. We bring you the latest reviews, insights, and updates on innovative vehicles like the 2025 Iveco eDaily. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of car enthusiasts. Let us help you stay ahead in the world of automotive technology. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.